Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Wise and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Wise. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.